The general idea is to twist the edge every few stitches. Often the twist happens every 4 stitches, but you can choose any number you like. Just cast on the number of stitches that is the multiple of that number. I'm going to make twists every 4 stitches, so I have 16 stitches right here on the needle. You can use any type of cast on you like. I used a long tail cast on, but that doesn't matter at all. Then knit all stitches for 4 rows. And then we get to the row where all the fun happens, where we are actually going to make twists. And here's how we do it. First, knit 4 stitches, or the number that you choose. So I knit 4 stitches, and then bring the working yarn to the right side to keep it out of the way. Then take the left needle and move it to the back and around the work to twist the edging, like this. See, I'm moving it to the back and around the work. And then continue working. Knit the next 4 stitches, or as many as you like. Whatever number you choose, be consistent. Then the edging will look would be at its best. So I knit 4 stitches again, and then I bring the yarn to the right. And then I take the left needle, bring it to the back and around the work, twisting the edge. And then knit the next 4 stitches. And we keep doing that until we get to the end of the row. 3 and 4. And for me, it's going to be the last twist. I bring the yarn to the right, and then I move the needle to the back and around the edging. And knit the last 4 stitches. And that's it. The twisted edge is finished. Now continue working on the project as instructed in the pattern, in any stitch pattern you like, but it looks best when you work in stockinette stitch after you do the edging. And then your edging will look like this. It's quite neat, right? But you can make it even better if you cast on stitches and work the first 2 rows with one color, and then work the next 2 rows with the other color, and then join the main color and continue working like that. Then your edging will be absolutely gorgeous. See, I worked the first 2 rows in the orange, and then the next 2 rows in green, and then I joined the yellow and continued working in the yellow, and you can see how much different and how much better this edging now is. The full tutorial about this technique is at tendrosday.com/Latvian-twist.